What interested me the most about the College of Technology was being able to work with my hands all day. Doing this program has showed me that I can learn, apply it, and then have the confidence to apply it in industry.
All of our students seem to really grab hold of the hands-on approach and really seem to enjoy coming to school every day and learning something new.
Going into a field that's so in demand gives me the confidence that I'll have the job when I finish my program. If you like, working with your hands, making really, really cool, intricate parts, and have a super keen eye for detail, then this program is for you.
As soon as I understood what machining was and how everything was manufactured and how everything was created, I was instantly like, this is where I want to be. You actually get to do hands-on experience so you can make the prototypes, and then I can actually learn all the processes to create all my ideas.
If you have an interest in getting into a trade where the sky is honestly the limit as far as creation, our door is always open for anybody that wants to come and check it out. And if it's something that you think you want to do, Idaho State's great about helping students find their way.